Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this today's video. So today, for all of you, we have brought the details of such an amazing income platform which is going to provide you a revolutionary approach to think about the future. So today we are talking about Tarki, which is the biggest money revolution you can ever see on this planet, and the official website of this is www.tarki.net. So this platform is a blend of the power of digital media and social media, where the main mission of the platform is to educate, inform, and empower individuals and organizations by showcasing the transformative power of digital and social media in modern communication, branding, and societal influence. Whereas if we talk the vision, so that is to inspire a digitally literate society that leverages social media responsibly and strategically for growth, engagement, and positive impact. So basically, even you can be the part of this greatest earning opportunity, where if you want to join this platform, then there are two ways to join this. Either you can join in as a customer or as a distributor. Now let's talk about both the programs, where first of all, if we talk about the customer program, so here you just have to complete your registration, then you can promote your channels, and through the free referral program also you can get the benefit. If we talk about what is promote your channels, so the launching offer is just with $12, where on the promotion of YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, you will be getting amazing benefit. Whereas if we talk about the free referral earning program, so here with the free referral earning program, you have the opportunity to earn $0.011 per day from your direct referrals. And there is also one team free referral income benefit which you will get from a total of 20 levels, where from your first level you will get $0.011 from all directs. From level 2 to level 5 you will earn $0.0058 from every referral. From level 6 to 9 you will get $0.0028 from all team members. From level 10 to 18 from each level you will get $0.0011 from all team. And level 19 to 20 will provide you $0.00058 from each level and from all team. So friends, that's how these were only 20 levels. But if we talk about the power of referral income, then that goes beyond your imagination. Because if we only talk about the starting 10 levels, so in the first level, when you have a team of 10 members, here your total earnings would be $0.11 per day. Similarly, in level 2, when the duplication continues with the multiplication of 5, your total team will be of 50 members, where your total earning will be of per day $0.39. In the third level, when you have a total team of 250 members, your per day earning will be $1.79. And similarly, the details of all 10 levels has been displayed on your screen, through which you have the opportunity to earn up to $68,468.79 per day as your referral income benefit. So this was the power of the customer program. Now we are going to talk about the distributor program, where in order to be a distributor, you can start your journey with the joining amount of $15. Now your earning starts from level 2 to level 20's referral team, where in the form of distributor income, you are going to get referral team income, ROI income, team ROI income, royalty ROI income, and reward income as well. First of all, if we talk about the ROI income, so in the form of this, you will be getting 0.20% per day. This is per day benefit of your activation package, and that's how you can get this benefit up to 5x times, and after that you can re-top up your ID. Now moving ahead, if we talk about the team ROI income which you can earn from here, so through this you have the great opportunity to earn 100% per day from the ROI earned by your direct referral members. Moving ahead, if we talk about the team ROI royalty reward income, so you will be getting this from a total of 10 levels. So in level 1, if you have completed a direct business of $250 and a total team business of $250, then total level business will be 100% of ROI. That means you are going to get the royalty income of monthly $10. In level 2, when the direct business of $250 and the total team business is of $750, then the total level business will be 0.50%. Like that, you will be getting royalty income of monthly $30, and your reward income would be $30, which you are going to get one time. In level 3, on the direct business of $500 and total team business of $2,500. Total level business will be counted 0.70% of ROI. Here, your royalty income will be $100 monthly and you will get a one-time reward income of $100. Similarly, the detail goes on till 10 levels, where you have the opportunity to earn up to $10,000 monthly as your royalty income and up to $2 lakh as your reward income's one-time benefit. So that's how many more amazing benefits are waiting for you. With this amazing opportunity, you get to know the actual potential of yourself. Along with that, you get to learn more about these income streams and you get to earn a lot of income even in coming future. Now, if we talk about some important terms and conditions, so royalty income distribution will be on monthly basis. Rewards are distributed one time when achieved. Minimum withdrawal will be of $5. 10% deduction will be done on the withdrawal. Retop up will be done after 5x times. Total 15 directs are required to open all the levels and USDT BP20 are used for activation and withdrawal.
So that's how these were the complete details of this amazing platform and its income plan, where for more details you can visit www.tarki.net.